water, baking soda, some white vinegar, and an essential oil of your choice.
Hi everybody, my name is Norma Behrend-Martinez and I'm here to help you with DIY cleaners. It really helps saving money and they're really easy to make. So first of all, we're going to start with all-purpose cleaners. Right here, all you need is some vinegar, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I prefer white vinegar because it doesn't really smell as much as apple cider vinegar, which kind of smells stinky, because you want to mask it with an essential oil. It doesn't matter what smell it is, whatever kind of smell you prefer. I like lavender. I also have some Hungarian oregano essential oil mix that I might use. And then all you need else is water. So right here is my empty all-purpose cleaner, and I kind of ran out of it, so I thought it would be a good time to kind of just refill it instead of using some other bottle. It doesn't have to be something like this. I just got this as a present, so I use these for cleaners as well as watering the plants. So this is just water, and you put in some. You want to go maybe halfway, or actually more 3/4 of the way. You want it to be mostly water. So yeah, about halfway or so, and then you want to pour in your vinegar. Right? And then you want about 10 drops of essential oil, or whatever will help you get rid of the smell, just because you don't want as clean as great vinegar is for cleaning, you sometimes don't want that smell. I mean, it's really nasty. I remember my mom used to clean things with it, and it would just the smell would last for a long time. And so really just want to screw it on and kind of shake it and give it some time for the essential oils to overpower the vinegar, and then you're just fine. You're great. This is a great all-purpose cleaner. It's great for counters. It's great for stoves. Of course, a lot. Something else that is really easy to make is window cleaners, which is very much the same thing. It's just 4/5 water and 1/5 vinegar and some essential oils. So that's for window cleaning. It's pretty much the same thing. Also, air freshener is just water and some essential oil. It's really easy. And having a spritzer would be easier than having one of these spray bottles, but I do only have spray bottles, so I tend to just spray where it stinks. Like if it's in the bathroom, I might just like spray it on the floor, or I might spray it in the sink. If we had something that was smelly, some dirty smelling dishes, and we didn't get to up in time in order to stop the smell, just putting some air freshener right there will make it go away completely. Another thing that is great to do is to get rid of mildew. What you need to do is you need to put some white vinegar in some place that you're gonna soak the shirt or the pants, because I had this problem in college because the dryers weren't that great in my freshman year, and so they were still moist after drying them for 2 times, and I didn't want to waste any more money, and so I thought, oh, they'll just dry on their own, and I left them in a bag, in my laundry bag, all bunched up, and they started to stink of mildew. And so if our apartments dryers don't clean them all the way, sometimes it can be an issue. And so instead, if it's just like 1 or 2 shirts that don't get dry all the way, or more likely jeans, just use a little bit of vinegar and then some essential oils, and you just put them in a little tray or something, and just soak your shirt in it. So I'm gonna do it with one of my boyfriend's shirts, which he refuses to wear because it stinks. So just soaking it in there will really just get rid of that mildew. And then you can just put it in the dryer, and it'll smell nice. The next cleaning thing that I do is for the toilet. It's not that dirty because we did it a while ago, but just put some baking soda in there. And then you just put some vinegar as well. And then some essential oil so it doesn't stink. And then you wait about 5 minutes for it to kind of just soak. And then you scrub it, and then you're done.